So guys, it's really simple. We have our footage in the timeline. Now go to effect. If your effect is not here, click on this button, then select effect from here. If effect is still not available, go to window, then enable effect from here. Now go to effect search, then search for tint. Left click, drag and drop over the clip. So now our footage turn into black and white. But if you want to make it more organic, then search for Luma curve. Left click, drag and drop over the clip. Now it's up to you that how much darkness you want. Also, if you want to animate, it's really simple too. Just go to tint, then the amount of tint. Click on the stopwatch to make your first keyframe. Then the duration, let's take it around 2 seconds. Click on the little dot to make the second keyframe. Now click on the back arrow to move to first keyframe. Reduce the amount. Done. That's all. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.